Here are models of satellites for weather forecasting. They do not only help to save lives, they also help to prevent billions of losses and damages when extreme weather hits. And where it all happens? At EUMETSAT. On today's expedition, I'm chasing something wild, something unpredictable, something which strikes without warning. That causes billions of damage, but how can we protect? What if we can see the storm before it hits? Finance, a good point. Today I meet Judith. You work in Treasury at EUMETSAT. I think you have a pretty exciting job.
Yeah, that's correct. And you will know a lot about this later today. But first, I have a question for you. Do you know actually what we do?
I think you run weather satellites for Europe?
Correct. So EUMETSAT is Europe's weather satellite agency, and we monitor climate, weather and environment from space.
Mission Control Center. Now you make me curious.
Yes, exactly. This is our geostationary mission control room. And this is where we operate Meteosat satellites. They fly very high above Earth, 36,000 kilometers, and they see 1/3 of the Earth's surface. And then from there, they always look at the same part of the Earth.
Hi. How often are you here, Judith?
Actually, not so often, because this is not allowed to come here. But there are visitors or special visitors, it's possible to arrange it.
We are the special visitors,
Yes.
and that also allows you to go in here.
Yeah,
Perfect.
exactly. This year we launched the second of the Meteosat third generation satellites, which continue satellite observation that go back nearly 50 years since 1977. On this satellite, there is a lightning imager, which does something which was never done before. This imager, this instrument, tracks lightning activity. So from this data, the weather forecast is produced.
Where's the link to finance?
Just think about industries who are using our satellite data, like aviation and shipping industry and agriculture. So our satellites not only save lives, but they have huge economic benefits.
Can you give me an example where satellite data is used by companies?
Yes, the near real-time data, which is used by aviation. The instrument, what I explained to you, this instrument is the lightning imager, which detects the lightning activities and also see storms, which can develop very quickly.
Coming to the business model of EUMETSAT, who are your customers?
We are an intergovernmental organization. We have 30 member states from our national meteorological agencies.
We are now in front of one of these satellites, which is just a model, I think.
Correct, this is a model.
But how long does it take to develop such a satellite?
It takes a long time from the idea until operations. It can take until 15-20 years.
You have 20 years of planning for such a satellite.
Indeed, it's a very long time, and it takes 10 years to design a satellite.
What are the challenges to finance such a satellite for a 20 years period?
We have financial planning, a long-term financial planning, which we present to our member states. And then we also need to arrange the agreements with our partners.
Is it always fitting with the budget, 20 years period?
No, there are changes, there are uncertainties, of course, and then we always rebudget or rework the financial planning.
15 to 20 years, how long do you already work for EUMETSAT?
12 years
12
already.
years, so in the middle of a process. Important question for me, what role do banks play?
Our banks provide financial services to us, so we can effectively manage our operations, cash flow operations, and timely payments to our partners, and also receive the contributions from our member states.
Last question, I have one of the stickers of Expedition Finance. Could we put it on the maybe next launch of one of the satellites, so if there's any life outside, they could watch our format?
Are you sure? Because advertising to aliens can be very expensive.